May kembot ako. Pumunta ako sa Cebu for work, pero gaya ng lahat ng lakad ko, palagi kailangan may heritage component. I am Mona Magda Veluz, I hunt down ancestors, and chase fascinating stories in Philippine history. Pumunta ako sa Yap San Diego House, which is one, if not the oldest residential home in the country. This was a meaningful trip kasi the current owner, heritage advocate Val San Diego, is my fourth cousin. Let me explain. My mother was a San Diego who grew up in Tondo, but her paternal line is rooted in Obando, Bulacan. My grandfather, Nicanor Sr., was a dentist. My great-grandfather, Benito, worked in logistics for the U.S. quartermasters. Lolo Benito was born in Obando and was the one who migrated from Bulacan to Manila. The livelihood of my 2 times great-grandfather Teodoro, my 3 times great-grandfather Roman, and the older ancestors all revolved around their Bulacan farmlands, according to records. So, paano ako nagka-connection sa Cebu? My lolo Teodoro had a brother Rafael. His son, Mariano, decided not to work the land and instead work for a priest who was later assigned to Cebu in the 1880s. In Cebu, Mariano San Diego married Maria Florido Yap, the daughter of a rich Chinese merchant, Juan Yap, and his Filipino wife, Sofia Florido. The couple inherited the wife's parents' house in Cebu's Parian district, which was built between 1675 and 1700. Mariano eventually became the cabeza de barangay of the historic Parian district until his death in 1897. Mariano's descendant, current owner of the Yap San Diego House, and my fourth cousin, Val San Diego, is a prominent cultural icon, antique collector, and choreographer. His mother, Luz Mancao San Diego, founded the San Diego Dance Studio, and she did the early research to develop the iconic 2 steps forward, 1 step back choreography commonly used in the Sinulog Festival. Medyo naaliw ako dito kasi very much like Cebu, the San Diego family's hometown of Obando also has its own dance tradition rooted in religious devotion. Kapag Mayo, couples and devotees dance in the streets for the Sayaw sa Obando festival to pray for a child, a spouse, good health, or good livelihood. Yung kantang Santa Clara Pinong-Pino na kinakanta ng mga deboto habang nagsasayaw, yun ang default lalabay ng mama ko sa mga anak at mga apo niya. Mahilig ata talaga sa baile ang pamilya ko. If you are in Cebu, you should visit the Yap San Diego House to admire its unique coral stone and hardwood architecture and to explore their impressive collection of period antiques and religious icons. When I visited, I got to sit quietly in the garden, nakikipagkwentuhan sa aking primo, the beautifully maintained house in front of me with a musician playing native music on a harp. Tunay na napakasayang pagbisita. O, diba?
Meow meow.